Hi, I'm Mark from Trail Buddy. I want to take a second and go over sprockets. So we've got our rear sprocket here. Now this is an OEM design. We can tell that because it's got these riveted on little tabs that mate with an OEM hub here into these rubber dampeners. And it's retained with a snap ring, a rather large snap ring. So when you're looking at these to buy online, make sure that you get the kind here. If you've got an OEM hub, so all Hondas came with this design from the factory, unless you've got an aftermarket one. Now we do offer a bolt-on hub, which is nicer for off-road and higher horsepower applications. But this OEM Honda one is good for on-road or just plain Jane smaller engines or something normal. But what I wanted to show the difference is if you're buying one, make sure that you get one that looks like this with the tabs, and not like this where it's got the clearance holes. So just a quick tip on sprockets. The smaller the sprocket you have in the back, the faster the bike's gonna go and the more top speed you have. The larger the sprocket on the back, the more bottom end torque you have and the slower the bike will go. Now we at Trail Buddy, we use JT name brand sprockets, and we've got a selection of chains to go along with it. And your OEM bike's gonna use a 420 chain, it's got the different. This one right here is a 35, just for this comparison, and this one here is a 44, and you can find that written on here closer to where the teeth are. You can find this part and other parts at mytrailbuddy.com. Thanks.